Imagine transforming your home with smart lighting without breaking the bank. But here's the kicker. What if you could get high-quality smart lights at a fraction of the cost? Welcome to the latest edition of Installer, your go-to guide for the coolest tech and gadgets. If you're new here, welcome aboard. Your inbox is about to get a lot more exciting, and you can catch up on past editions at the Installer homepage. But first, let's dive into this week's highlights. From long-awaited game releases to innovative tech gadgets that are redefining convenience. The drop, Philips Hue Essentials. Philips Hue has launched a new lineup of affordable smart light bulbs, starting at just $25 per bulb or $15 each in a 4-pack. These bulbs are significantly cheaper than their flagship color-changing counterparts, making smart lighting accessible to more users. Parent company Signify also unveiled a new bridge, additional lights, and a wired video doorbell at IFA Berlin. Hollow Knight Silksong. After years of anticipation, Team Cherry's sequel to Hollow Knight is finally here. Early reviews suggest it's a worthy follow-up, though there's still much to explore. Fun fact, Stardew Valley creator Eric Barone voices a character in the game. Can you guess who? Instagram for iPad. Nearly 15 years after its iOS debut, Instagram has released an official iPad app. But there's a twist. It's video-focused, with a feed of short-form reels greeting users upon opening. Android tablet users, don't worry. Meta promises the new design is coming your way soon. The Paper, Peacock's spin-off of The Office, dropped this week and has already been renewed for a second season. Critics say it's a solid addition, though it takes a few episodes to find its rhythm. Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Samsung's latest affordable model draws inspiration from the S25 Edge, offering a thinner and lighter design. The company also launched new S11 and S11 Ultra tablets with a redesigned S Pen. Remarkable Paper Pro move. Remarkable's new e-ink digital notepad features a slim 7.3-inch screen, making it pocket-friendly. If you're a fan of small paper notebooks, this digital alternative might just be your next favorite tool. Chipolo's Loop and Card. These rechargeable item trackers work with Apple's Find My and Google's Find Hub networks, lasting up to 6 months on a single charge. Say goodbye to constantly replacing batteries. Mophie Max Headphones Charging Stand. This $150 stand charges your AirPods Max and AirPods Pro simultaneously. It even puts your AirPods Max into sleep mode automatically. A handy feature, though the price might give some pause. Featured guest, Paulus Schoutsen. Today we're spotlighting Paulus Schoutsen, founder of Home Assistant and president of the Open Home Foundation. With the IFA 2025 conference in full swing, we explore how someone deeply immersed in smart home technology organizes their phone. Paulus recently switched from an iPhone 15 Pro to a Google Pixel, emphasizing the use of web apps. His home screen is minimalist, featuring a smart stack widget for battery, calendar, weather, and photos. Notably, he avoids social media apps, opting for web-based Blue Sky and Mastodon to limit usage. For AI, he's transitioned from ChatGPT to Claude Max, leveraging Claude Code for programming. Arc, his go-to browser, syncs bookmarks across devices, while Obsidian serves as his open-source note-taking solution, complete with AI integration for tasks like categorizing shopping lists. What Paulus is into right now: AI and Claude Code. Paulus uses Claude Code to automate tasks and even collaborates with his 7-year-old to create imaginative projects. Z-Wave. Home Assistant's new ZWA2 antenna promises unparalleled range for smart home devices. Travel and family. Spending summers in Europe, Paulus enjoys remote work while exploring countries like the Netherlands, Belgium, Hungary, and Denmark. Foundation Season 3. The latest season on Apple TV Plus continues to impress. Crowdsourced recommendations. Here's what the installer community is buzzing about. Hollow Knight Silksong. A highly anticipated sequel to an indie game about a bug. MP3 players and FLAC collections. One user has ditched streaming for a physical MP3 player and is building a FLAC collection, complete with meticulously organized ID3 tags. Python documentary. A compelling film about the programming language Python and its impact on fields like climate science and AI. Reader, a beloved RSS reader app that simplifies content consumption. Architecture and interior design videos. Channels like Archimarathon and Architectural Digest offer fascinating insights into design and architecture. Birdwatching documentary. The surprisingly engaging film about birdwatching that's been dubbed the film of the year. Static Dress, a post-hardcore band blending 2000s screamy music with modern production. NTS Radio, a solid app for DJ mix shows with the NTS Breakfast Show Bulk Franz. Flow being a standout. Signing off. IFA Berlin 2025 showcased some incredible innovations, from stair-climbing robot vacuums to party speakers. It's like a mid-year CES. Check out our roundup of the coolest gadgets, and stay tuned for more coverage. David will be back next week to keep you updated. Controversy comment hooks. What's your take on the balance between affordability and functionality in smart home devices? Do you think Philips Hue's new budget bulbs will disrupt the market? And how do you feel about the rise of AI in everyday tools like note-taking apps? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark some discussion.